What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another edition of Dad Does Videos. We are standing in front of our 2021 Kia Telluride LX, where you're going to show you how easy it is to replace the cabin air filter within it. You can buy these cabin air filters for just $11, $12, $13 online. Put it in all by yourself within just a few minutes. That's way better than taking your car to the dealer where they are going to charge you close to, if not more than, $100 to do that same job. Here is the filter that we are going to put in. You can see it's from a company named Treeligo. The part number, at least for Treeligo, is CF211020. You can also search for this Telluride's filter by CF10735. I will put a link to this product in the description, so if you like what you see, you can just go ahead and click that link and purchase the product. Let's get in the passenger seat and I'll show you how to swap out your filters. All right, first thing you want to do is open your glove box. And the second thing you want to do is remove all the stuff that's in your glove box. And don't say that you don't have any stuff in the glove box, because everybody has stuff in the glove box. All right, now we're gonna locate the pin on the right side of the glove box. That is right here. And we're just gonna pull that directly to the right. Now, if yours doesn't come out smoothly, I would suggest you get a pair of needle nose pliers and hold down the other side of the pin right there while you pull to the right on the pin. We are just going to pull to the right on the pin and you'll see the pin just come out. And just keep this in a safe place for now. We're going to need that later. And then on the right side of your glove box, you're going to find a dial right here. And we are simply going to twist that counterclockwise until it loosens. You might need to wiggle it a little bit to get it all the way out. There we go. And then right on the other side of your glove box, you are going to do the exact same thing with this other dial. And then, as you can see, that will allow the glove box to lower. And again, keep in mind where those dials are. And this will allow us to access the place where the cabin air filter is, right here. And to open that cabin air filter, we simply need to squeeze the tabs on each side. So there's one right here. Pull down, you can see that lifts up a little bit. And the same thing on the other side. And then you'll be able to open that. And then you will see our cabin filter. Now, please note the arrow where it's showing you where the airflow goes. We're gonna match that up with our new filter. So we need to make sure we put the new filter in with the airflow arrow pointing down. And you simply grab this and remove. Just pull it straight out. All right, so for comparison purposes, I thought I'd lay the old one next to our new one to show you that there is no difference in the dimensions, and you can see how much dirtier the old one is compared to the new one. Now, of course, when you look at these, you can see this is horizontal, whereas this filter is vertical. It doesn't matter. It's still going to work the same way. Okay, now we are going to insert our new cabin air filter into the car. First thing we want to do is make sure, like we talked about earlier, that arrow for the airflow is pointing down. And then we're going to locate that little door where we remove the old filter and simply insert our new filter right in there. And it might take a little wiggling to insert it, but it'll go right in. Like that. Once it's in there, you simply press down on the tabs And then on the left side, we are going to reinsert our dials with the glove box up enough so that the dial will go into the correct hole. There we go. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Simply insert, twist clockwise. And then lastly, we are going to reattach the pin. Now, if the connectors, so to speak, for your glove box are a little separate from each other, that is not a big deal. All you need to do is pull down on this piece and it'll slide right into the spot where you need it to, so that you could slide the pin right in that hole. See if I can do this. You just simply push it in, just like that. And that's it, folks. Thanks for watching, everybody.